Hi, this is Ivana from CNX. In this video, I will demonstrate how the Valence Nitro file editor can be used for viewing, editing, and downloading data from any physical or logical file on IBMI. The initial tab in the Nitro file editor allows you to view recently opened files or saved views, as well as open physical or logical files from the IBMI database. After clicking on Open File, I am prompted to enter a file name. For this example, I will open the demo CMAST file. After selecting the file, we can see it in a grid like the one here. I can take a number of different actions, including scrolling vertically and horizontally, rearranging and resizing the columns, and changing the sort order. The sorting capability works a bit different than in a standard grid. In order to be able to support multiple sorting levels, you can drag the column heading to the sorting order bar. As an example, I will sort the grid by state and customer name. First, I'll eliminate the default sort by customer number. Then I will drag up the state and name column headings. Now you can see that all the customers within the state of California are sorted alphabetically. Sort sequence can be reversed by clicking on these sort buttons. Right-clicking on any column allows you to hide a column or change its alignment or heading. In order to edit a record, just click anywhere on a row to enter into edit mode. After you're done editing, click Save to update the record in the database. You can use the same method to delete and copy the record data or present it in a window form instead of editing inline. The buttons located on the right edge of the toolbar allow you to add a record, position to a record, or download it to a spreadsheet. The Position To button will display all the fields in the current sort order to allow you to easily jump to a record in a database. The Download button will allow you to download just the current page of records being shown or all the records. Clicking on the Config button gives you additional options for how the columns and rows are shown. The Columns window allows you to select and deselect the columns currently being shown. All the visible columns are flagged with a check mark on the left. Click this area to turn on and off a column. You can also edit the column names by just clicking on the name. This column window can also be brought up by using the F4 function key. Clicking on Filters will bring up the window with selections for how to limit the records being shown in the grid. Let's filter the records by city name and zip code. You can apply multiple filters and see the results after closing the window. For more complex filtering, you can use the jog mode. See the Nitro file editor guide for more information. You can toggle the column headings between the field name and description with this menu option. When you're done editing, you can either close the file or use the Save View option. Saving a view allows the changes to the columns and filters to be retained for later reuse.